In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. If you're new to Trello or looking to streamline your project management needs, creating a board is a fantastic place to start. Trello is an intuitive tool that enables you to visually organize tasks and projects. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you might want to create an account, which will give you full access to all of Trello's powerful features. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello dashboard. Your next step is to locate the Boards option. This is typically found in the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will open a page displaying any existing boards you might have, as well as an option to create new ones. This is your command center for managing your Trello boards and getting an overview of all your workflow setups. Now let's go ahead and click on the Create New Board button. This option is usually prominent on the page and is the gateway to setting up your bespoke organizing system. Upon clicking, a window will pop up asking for a few details about your new board. Here, you'll be prompted to provide the title of your new board. This is an important step because the title should be both descriptive and concise, giving you or your team members an intuitive understanding of what the board is about. For example, if you're organizing a marketing campaign, a title like 2023 Marketing Roadmap might be fitting. Once you've decided on a title, go ahead and click on the Create button. Congratulations, you've just created your very own Trello board. But we're not done yet. To make this board truly functional, the next step is to add lists. Lists serve as columns on your board, each representing a category or stage of your project workflow. Common list titles include To Do, In Progress, and Done, which help track tasks at various stages of completion. After setting up your lists, it's time to add cards. Cards are the individual tasks or items that need to be accomplished. To create a card, simply click the Add a Card option at the bottom of each list. You'll want to name each card something specific to its task, like Write Project Proposal or Design Website Mockup. Cards can be moved between lists as tasks progress, giving you a dynamic view of your project's development. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Trello board, populated it with lists and cards, and set up a straightforward system to manage your tasks visually. With Trello's cohesive layout and flexible customization options, organizing your projects has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.